Hey y'all, welcome back again. I am TVO Designs, and yes, I had to slow it down this time. But anyway, this is another pattern that I got this week, and I thought it would be a good idea to make these short videos. That way you can see throughout the week what I have worked on and what I have posted. So anything that you see me posting from now on weekly is in stock and it's ready to go at the website. You can find that below, or you can find it in my link, and I will drop it in the video as well. Okay, so yeah, check her out. She all done. And I'll be putting it on my sidekick here, cause she gonna put that thing on. All right, yeah. So check it out. That way you can get a close up view and see what we're working with. Okay, I'll be back later.